When you're running an online business, you want to be as organized as possible, and that can involve having all your files together in one convenient place. But sometimes getting that to happen sounds a lot easier than it actually is. You might need to rely on complicated third-party connectors to reliably send all of your files wherever they need to go, or worse, you'll need to manually upload them yourself, which will cost you a lot of valuable time. This is where the Dropbox Addon by WPForms comes in. The Dropbox Addon allows you to connect your website to your Dropbox account to automatically send user-uploaded files to a Dropbox folder each time they fill out and submit a form on your site. Once connected, you can simply go into the settings page of the form builder to access the Dropbox tab and set up your connection. The add-on will automatically create a new folder for this specific form, or you can manually designate which existing folder you'd like these files to go into. All files uploaded through your Forms file upload field will be sent to the root of the form's designated Dropbox folder. If you create a subfolder within the root, you can choose to send the files there instead. If you have multiple file upload fields on your form, you can specify which one you'd like to connect to Dropbox, or even choose to send them to different subfolders. Once the form is submitted, you can view the submissions in the Entries page and find a link that will take you directly to the file's location in Dropbox, or you can simply log into your account to find the newly uploaded files. In just a few clicks, you can easily create a powerful connection to automatically send your customers' uploaded files to your favorite cloud storage solution without dealing with third-party connectors or a hefty price tag. Over 6 million smart business owners, designers, and developers use WPForms to build smarter forms. What are you waiting for? Get started with WPForms today.